Here is an exercise to practice the for-in construct. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. So here we have our array of books. And first, let's iterate over the array of books with for loops. So for let index 0 until index is less than book's length, and then let's increment index. And now let's grab the book by the index. So let book is books at index. And finally, let's embed for in loop to iterate over each book properties. For let key in book, console log key, and then book at key. And here is the result.